Being a student of Mispa Christian High School was not easy. In fact, it was harder than I expected. We were taught how to apply the values of being a Christian and build the traits of a responsible and caring individual. It is through these teachings that we were able to build a concrete foundation on which to stand and share what we have learned. Learning the values of patience, fortitude, resiliency, understanding, respect, and tolerance are 100 times worth the effort I spent in school. And I thank our teachers for showing us how to love our schoolmates, our parents, and most especially God. This is why I stand here in front of you today, proud and confident to be a Mispa graduate. And because of this, please allow me to take this opportunity to thank all of our teachers for their understanding and patience in dealing with us while they share their knowledge and experiences. We would also like to thank them for showing us a genuine example of equality and fairness throughout our years at Mispa. To my classmates and friends, I thank you for your friendship and love, which has helped me learn the value of teamwork and brotherhood and its importance in overcoming every obstacle in life. I also thank you for accepting me as one of your own and for not treating me like a stranger. To my beloved parents, I thank you for being my role models. Your unfailing love, guidance, and support has made me become a good person and an ideal Christian. I also thank you for helping me survive all the trials and temptations that I have encountered. To God, Lord of all the earth, I thank you for making me an instrument of your goodness and for using me as an inspiration to others so that we may always follow your will. I also thank you for making us realize that no matter how smart or wise we are, we should always trust you and never lean on our own understanding. To my fellow graduates of Mispa Christian High School, class of 2011, this is my message to you. We have a solid Christian foundation. And because of this foundation, we have become torches that shines brightly throughout the whole earth. We should always carry the values we have learned as we move forward to the next level of our education. Let us transform the values of religion into effective tools of goodwill as we choose our own path in life. Let us be the bearer of the Christian light as we show the world what graduates of Mispa Christian High School are made of.